Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a new folder on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let's start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer to now create a folder. Let's go to the computer. We are now on the desktop. Right click or two fingers down on the trackpad, and there we see new folder. Whenever you create a folder, we always see untitled folder by default on screen. To change this, backspace delete. Let's name the folder Computer Science Videos. Click off the folder, and now the folder itself has been created. We can now increase the size of the Finder window after we open up the folder, which is empty at the moment. We can also add files, create more folders within a folder. New folder. Let's call this folder 1. And so that's how you create a folder on a Mac computer. The very basic tutorial. That's for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now.